Hi everyone and welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today I'm going to be showing you the results of another 2-skein cotton challenge. And the first thing that I made was a tiny backpack. And this is just a vintage 90s theme backpack that I'm actually super excited about. And for the skein challenge of this, depending on how long you wanted your straps, you may or may not have had some yarn left over. And I also made this tiny button, and I normally would have attached that to my backpack, but I kind of liked the contrast of having the white button instead. And last but not least, I made a simple soap saver with a really easy to pull cinch. And what I love about this cinch is that it doubles as a hanging loop, so you can easily hang this up while you're in the shower or maybe on a tree while you're camping. And that is it. Those are the results of my other cotton 2-skein challenge. And please let me know in the comments below if you completed any of the projects in this skein challenge. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.